Yes, indeed. Also happening today, Multnomah County and the city of Portland unveiling some new plans to address the homeless crisis.
In a news conference this morning, officials laid out steps to their new Homelessness Response Action Plan. That plan setting out to cut unsheltered homelessness in the county in half by 2025. Joelle Jones has the latest after asking some tough questions of the mayor.
City and county leaders say the incorporation of behavioral health as well as clear actionable goals are what set this plan apart from others we've seen in the past. But as this is just the latest strategy to address this crisis, I asked city leaders about current plans that have stalled and how this differs.
Our community cannot wait. 11,000 people who are our neighbors don't have a home.
Multnomah County Chair Jessica Vega-Peterson, Portland Mayor Ted Wheeler, and a panel of service providers and healthcare officials unveiled the new Homelessness Response Action Plan, which commits to house or shelter nearly 2,700 people over the next 2 years.
To reduce unsheltered homelessness by 50% by the end of 2025. That is what Portlanders will now expect from us, and that is what we will deliver.
In addition to creating 1,000 new shelter beds in the next 2 years, officials say the plan will add hundreds of behavioral health beds, open a drop-off sobering center, increase the number of people entering permanent housing by 15%, and ensure 75% of those in housing stay for 2 years. Other goals include increasing affordable housing, reducing unsheltered homelessness for communities of color and LGBTQIA+ residents, as well as preventable measures.
Stopping the inhumane practice of releasing people from hospital, treatment, or jail directly to the streets to fend for themselves without the resources they need.
The plan is the latest in a string of strategies to address the complex homeless crisis. Some have fallen short of initial goals, like housing Multnomah Now and the city's daytime camping ordinance, which faced another legal setback last week after a judge declined to provide judicial guidance.
None of us can be married to any particular strategy if it is not a successful strategy.
Stalled by a lawsuit and unenforceable, I asked Mayor Wheeler if he felt the camping ordinance was a successful strategy. Wheeler called out the judge, saying after the city's efforts to appeal to a higher court, they received no explanation as to why the action has been called unconstitutional. He says his team plans to introduce a new, less strong ordinance soon.
They should be asked why they refuse to provide that guidance. Meanwhile, we're not going to give up.
Both city and county leaders say they are seeking public feedback as they work to finalize this plan that will be open until March 29th. And of course, we will continue to follow this as it develops. Reporting in Southeast Portland tonight, I'm Joelle Jones, Queen 6 News.